Building a gaming PC involves several steps, from selecting the right components to assembling and configuring them. Here's a comprehensive guide. Step 1. Determine how much you're willing to spend. This will influence the quality and performance of the components you choose. Step 2. Choose your components. 1. Central processing unit between Intel and AMD. Current popular choices are Intel Core i5, i7, or AMD Ryzen 5 7s. Graphics processing is most critical component for gaming. Look for NVIDIA GeForce RTX or AMD Radeon RX series. 3. Ensure motherboard compatible with your CPU and has the necessary features: USB ports, PCIe slots. For at least 16 GB RAM is recommended for gaming. DDR4 is common, with speeds of 3200 MHz or higher. 5. SSD for faster load times. Consider at least 500 GB SSD for the operating system and frequently played games, and a larger HDD for additional storage. 6. Ensure it has enough wattage to support all your components. Look for APS-U with an 80+ certification for efficiency. 7. Choose a case that fits your components, offers good airflow, and suits your aesthetic preferences. 8. Stock coolers often come with CPUs. Liquid coolers can provide better performance and quieter operation. 9. Peripherals: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and headphones. Step 3. Assemble the PC. 1. Work on a clean, static-free surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap if possible. Open the motherboard CPU socket, align the CPU correctly, and carefully place it into the socket. 3. Apply thermal paste and attach the cooler to the CPU. 4. Insert the RAM sticks into the motherboard's RAM slots. Press down until they click into place. 5. Mount the motherboard into the case, aligning it with the standoff screws. Secure it with screws. 6. Mount the PSU in the case and connect the necessary power cables to the motherboard, CPU, and GPU. 7. Mount SSDs and HDDs in their respective slots. Connect them to the motherboard with SATA cables. 8. Insert the GPU into the PCIe slot on the motherboard. Secure it with screws and connect power cables from the PSU if required. 9. Connect case cable front panel connector to the motherboard. 10. Tidy up cables to improve airflow and aesthetics. Step 4. Power on and install OS. 1. Connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Turn on the power and boot into the BIOS. 2. Check that all components are recognized. Set boot priority to your installation media. 3. Insert the OS installation media and follow the prompts to install your OS. Step 5. 1. Install motherboard drivers, GPU drivers, and any other necessary drivers. 2. Ensure your operating system is fully updated. 3. Install gaming software like Steam, Epic Game Store. Step 6. Use software like 3DMARK to test your system's performance and ensure stability. Use tools like Homonitor to check CPU and GPU temperatures under load. Building a gaming PC can be a rewarding experience, providing both learning and satisfaction from creating a custom rig tailored to your needs.